What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Check it out. Hugger Orange 1969 Chevelle Tribute SS. Beautiful car. Hugger Orange. Look at this. 396. Automatic TH400. Transmission. Look at this baby. Real nice car. Let's go through it together. Step off a little bit and I'll go closer up with you. Paint is good. I'm gonna give this paint a strong 8, 8.5. There's a few small imperfections in it and I'll go over them with you. Chrome is great. We're gonna do this close. Just wanna get you out there. Look at this. What a stance. Beautiful car. A lot of new parts. Restored. Let's start in the front. Front chrome bumper. Good shape. Light bezels. Good shape. Badging's great. All the way down. Hood lines up great. See a couple little fish eyes in throughout there, but it lays down great. That's why I'm holding back and giving it an 8.5 versus a 9. Lines up beautiful. Wipers intact, are working. Chrome around the window, and glass is great. Your roof is good. Front fender. Nice wheel and tire package. Tires are in great shape. Got a little chip here. Another little tiny one here. Another little one here. Tiny little chip. Let me get off it, I'll show you. So you can barely see them, but you gotta know what you're getting home. Door gaps are good. Sport chrome mirror. Glass is in great shape on driver's side. Let's go down here. Your gaps are good here. All the way down. Really nice. Rear fender, I don't see anything. Rear glass is good. Couple little fine scratches in it, but nothing of major. Chrome around it as well. Straight. Let me get down. Let's take a look. No wave. Real nice. Underneath, real clean. Rear bumper, good. Chrome is in excellent condition. All your badging done right. Passenger side rear quarter. Fine, I don't see any imperfections. Like I said, tires are great, rims are good, passenger glass is good, sport mirror, door is good, lines up great, badging's good, chrome moldings around the wheel wells are good, antenna is there. Just a nice all-around, clean car. Pre-delivery inspection, the turn signals are working, headlights are working, your brake lights are working, wipers are working, radio is in op, it's in there, heater is working, horn is working, all your tire pressure, all your oils have been checked, and fluids. Your gauges are all working. Does not have a spare tire. Let's check out the cabin. Door panels. Nice, no rust to be found. Back seat, good shape. Seatbelts intact. Rear deck pan is good. Your headliner is good. Lights working, of course, you see that. Sun visors are intact. Shoulder harness on the seat belts are there. Bench seat in front with a little center console. Car has tilt steering. Automatic. Nice little gauge package. Dash pad is excellent. Steering wheel's in good shape. Nice car. Just clean. Let's take a look a little bit underneath. All right, let's fire it up. Fire in the hole. Let's go. Nice. A lot of new parts. Let's go listen to it. Look how clean. Quarters are beautiful. Seems to be original. Right in here, all your stampings. Trunk is excellent. Alternator, really fresh inside here. 85,000 miles on the engine. Power steering, power brakes, 396. So if you're looking to get some financing with us, and you're anywhere from a 625 to a 639, you need about 10% down on average. Go directly to my website where the car's at mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, fill out the app, and we'll get it called in. If you're a 740 or above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Generally, you get your financing done within 24 hours. The terms are up to 84 months with great rates. We have delivery all over the country. For quotes, you can text or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois. 150 South Church Street. We're open 9 in the morning till 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 until 1 by appointment only. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. Thanks, Earl.